Okay, guys, I want to play this video for you. And before then, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. You know, there's this saying that says that an enemy of my enemy is my friend. And it's not that we are celebrating, enmity. It's just that what Igbo people, Biafrans, have been through in hands of Nigerian government and everything in Nigeria is, very, very sad, is very, very bad. So whenever we hear or see video like this, we always, feel fulfilled. But the problem is that this problem that North and the Yoruba are, having their banter and their issue, you will see an Igbo man getting themselves involved to, in the name of making peace, as a good man. They will not use that person to settle the quarrel. And that is why I'm making this video, because I want us to just ignore what is going on between the political issue between North and the West Southwest at the moment. Let Yoruba politicians, not all Yorubas, okay, because not every Yoruba support this nonsense they're doing. Pay attention to this conversation or this video from a northerner. I don't want to say much. Please subscribe, like I said, and God bless you as you do so.
This is a direct message to people from Southwest. They have been calling us northerners all sort of our filing names, that we are parasites, that we are useless, that they are going to teach us a lesson 2027, that even if Tinubu excelled to become the next president of Nigeria, that they are going to bring somebody from South, not the North. Maybe they have baby mentality. They don't know the North. They don't know our history. One state in northern Nigeria is equivalent to the whole of Southwest.
Hey,
My lecturer once told me something. My Calabar lecturer once told me something. He said, never ever in your life trust a Yoruba land. He said, if a Yoruba man shake your hand, he mean maybe or no. While in your heart, he mean yes. While in his heart, he mean no. He said, if a Yoruba man nod his head, he mean no. They are hypocrite in nature. He said, never ever trust a Yoruba man. Our northern brothers, they make a great mistake. Me personally, I do not vote for Tinubu because I already know the nature of Yoruba. They are hypocrites. They behave like chameleons. And once they hijack power, their true color will prevail. And we have seen what Tinubu is doing, what Tinubu is trying to do regarding the tax reforms. The governor of Bauchi, Bala Mohammed, has warned President Bola Tinubu that his reform policy is anti-northern Nigeria, that we are going to teach him a lesson. This is not oligarchy. You understand? If he insisted that he is arrogant, that he insisted that the tax reform must come to stay, we are going to teach him a lesson 2027. He's going to lose election. His state where he come from, Osun State and Lagos State, did not vote for him 2023 election. He did not win. He did not win the election in Osun, and Lagos State did not voted for him. Me personally, I did not vote for him. And this fight did not voted for him. He only got 8.4 million. This fight, four people came from the north. He did not even get a massive vote. You understand? Let me assure you, people from Southwest, that we are going to teach you a lesson. This is your hypocrite nature. We are going to teach you a lesson. You are going to lose election. And once a Yoruba man lost election, a Yoruba man will never ever rule this country. Even thinking of becoming a vice. Let me tell you, we are going to teach this Yoruba, this direct message to Yoruba land. Once Tinubu lost election, no any Yoruba man will ever click to power again. This is a message to you, because we have already identified your hypocrite nature. My father told me, he said, never, my Calabar lecturer told me, never ever trust a Yoruba man because they have hypocrite nature. They have what they say and what they mean are two different things. Never ever trust them. They are hypocrite people in nature. This is a direct message to you. I'm just warning you, Yoruba people, that calling us all sort of names, insulting us on Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook will not make you to become a president 2027. Tinubu is OTP, one-time president. Period. Inshallah. Useless.
So everything he said here, like I said, I don't want to say much about it, but let me say this before we end this video. I don't want anybody to drag Calabar people. Your Calabar lecturer tell you this. Remove Calabar people, remove any other, remove our people from your political statements. Focus on your co-brother, Yoruba politicians that you guys are, both of you are the same. Okay, don't drag Igbo people, don't drag Calabar people, don't drag Easterners to your political banter. All you are saying here, so that you want Yoruba people to, oh, Calabar people, you say this. No, focus on your enemy. Calabar people is not your problem. If you have issue with Yoruba people, focus them. Don't drag other people. You see, the same thing that they said about Igbo people, you can never rule this country. Yorubas are, they were clapping. When I say Yoruba, I'm talking about the politicians. I'm not talking about the entire Yoruba people, please. Those Yoruba politicians, they are happy. They connive with them to make sure that Igbo man will not win election. They started sharing it among themselves. Now, the North are now working to give you the same thing. So it will end up being only Northerners. So you will be your own as a Southerner. You have to start. Your own is to choose a good Northerner to be president. It will get there because it is obvious that Igbo own is Igbo's own is done and dusted. That's just the fact. And he's calling him now one-time president. The same thing they did to Jonathan. Yorubas were happy. They used them to protest against Jonathan. Now is about to happen to you. Igbo people should stay clear from this battle. Stay clear. Let them deal. Let them deal with them. Let them deal with themselves. Let them settle their matter within themselves. Don't get involved. I know you people will not listen because what you know for is to your own is just like crayfish. They must add in every food. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys and God bless you.